I'm Maureen Rapondi. I'm 38 years old and I come from Sia County, Karemo Division, Haga Village. I'm a poultry farmer and I loved poultry. From my early childhood, I was inspired by my mom who encouraged me to do poultry farming. I've been doing poultry for quite some time. I've been doing kienyeji poultry and I was introduced into large poultry production by our circle. We have a local circle called Upendo.
I'm Sibia Souma. I come from Rachuonyo North Sub-County. That's North Karachuonyo. That's my ward. I belong to Great Wangching Cooperative. I'm a member there. I've been doing with them some projects. Yeah, and I'm their farmer.
My name is Serena Amadi Ochola. I come from Kopala Sub-Location, Wangching Ward, Homa Bay County. I registered in cooperative, Mango Cooperative, 2018. Kaka nange Aching Hope Kenya, nani cooperative, na registered the cooperative. Kuro nan kaka treasurer, kuro sama nane kanyo inde mani Aching Hope obire. The
market opportunities are there. The population is growing at a very high rate. We are also having urbanization, people moving from rural coming to the urban centers. And on the other hand, again, this population that is growing becomes, they are very, very keen on what they are consuming. They are moving from consumption of red meat, and now they prefer white meat, and poultry offers the best option for the white meat. So the opportunity is there.
I've been doing poultry since 2017, but I was doing kienyeji, and I had difficulty in doing mass production. I couldn't have a big number of chicks. So when I joined the circle, they introduced me in improved kienyeji farming. So I started doing improved kienyeji in May 2021, and I brought 100 chicks, which it was successful. I think I only had a mortality rate of about 4 chicks, so that encouraged me even to continue. Then in June, I brought 200 chicks, which was also successful. And in July, I also brought 200 chicks, which was also successful. So that one actually encouraged me to continue with the kienyeji farming. The first batch, that is the ones that I brought in May, they have been ready for the market and I've done my sales.
As per now, I sold through the cooperative. Last week, I sold around 600 chicks here. That is 3-month-old chicks. So I do, when I got a customer, I sold. I don't wait at or to sell me, let's say, to reach a laying stage. So I just sold through the cooperative.
In any given value chain like poultry, we've had challenges, and one of the most challenge that has come up, or which we have noted in the field, is the issue of vaccination, especially to control disease outbreaks. And therefore, as a project, we have recruited what we call CAVs, Community Agri-Veterinary Entrepreneurs. These are the ones that are working within the community, within the produce organizations we're working with, and training those farmers, helping the farmers access the vaccines, and just ensuring that the farmers adhere to the vaccination program at the end of the day to make sure that the chicken are given all the required vaccine, and therefore this is what we believe will turn and increase the production.
My yudo ni disease magwen, gwen ni diseases mang'eny to gwen bende tho gi death ng'eny kuomgi, but ako adhi go mbele. Athiedhogi ne Aching Hope no miya joma nopuonja, no trainer kaka nyalo pidho ritogi, emomiyo aseritogi nyaka sani. Gima cooperative osekonyago en ni osemiya chiro ma asedhigo mbele, chiemo akawo ka cooperative ma konyogo gwen. Nitie ohala mayude momiyo asechopo kama antie ni. An gi nyithindo e college, an gi nyithind kiye madakgo, kaka gichiemo, nitie kaka gichiemo e wach gwenda gi, nyithindo mantie kucha achul negi fee, nyithindo mani skul go bende agolo negi pesa.
I would love to be a very big poultry farmer in terms of the numbers of poultry I'm having. I'm looking forward probably to doing around between 2,000 to 5,000.
I'm planning to do this expansion, and if I can get a hatching machine, I'm going to expand, I hatch, I supply. Then I involve many youth, at least to our youth to have an employment.